today I'm cooking at school and I'm very hungry. I need a nice, healthy lunch. So today I think I need to make a lovely, healthy pasta salad to fill up my tummy. Let's think what we will need. We're going to need to have a saucepan to cook on the oven. Then I'm going to need a nice big bowl and a spoon for mixing. I'll need to get some pasta, some sweet corn, some chicken and some cucumber. If you're vegetarian, you don't need to use the chicken. And I might need some mayonnaise to mix it all together. Okay, let's think what we need to do. First, cook the pasta. It's going to be very hot, so ask your mummies and daddies and people at home to help you. And when it's cooked, it needs to cool down. Next, tear the chicken, cut the cucumber and spoon the sweet corn into the bowl. Then mix in the pasta and stir it all together. Next, spoon in the mayonnaise and mix. You need to get right to the bottom to mix it all up. And finally, you can eat your pasta. I can't wait. I'm so hungry. I've been working hard at school. I wonder if you can have a good go at making your pasta and tell me if it fills up your hungry tummies. Have fun. Bye.